Why did I have to go out of this Eid?
हेलो भाई नमस्कार आप सत श्री अकाल एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय नेम इज खान मेडिटे एंड यू आर वाचिंग खान मेडिटे इंग्लिश व्लॉग सो लेट्स बैक टू द पॉइंट एंड एंजॉय द वीडियो
I got up early, bathed and headed out for namaz. Everyone had already arrived after the namaz and greeted other. I headed back home. Everyone was in such a crowd leave. I had planned to just relax when I got back, but then I got a phone call that forgot to me. Out headed out again. I got gas checked the tire pressure and then finally took a stop after driving 100 kilometers. The sun is incredibly harsh today. There was a construction work going on right in front of us. After hours and hard work, we finally reached the spot. Here is the view. Don't comment about it. Anyway, the work I came here for is finally done. So I am heading back to Kanpur now. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.